Hello, my name is Irene Lasker and I'm the Career Services Manager with the Toronto School of Management. Whenever you are looking to make a change in your career, want to explore opportunities or need individualized career advice, our Career Services Department is here to assist you in discovering more about yourself, exploring your career option, and empowering you with the knowledge, skills, and experiences to make sound career and academic decisions, build professional connections, demonstrate your career readiness, search and secure co-placements, part-time and permanent jobs. Paired with a comprehensive job posting service, an extensive resource center, workshops, job fairs, partner companies' info sessions, and other industry-specific activities, we ensure our students are well equipped to enter and excel in the job market. Connect with us at careerservices@torontosom.ca or visit us in our office located on the 3rd floor. We look forward to supporting you in leveraging your strengths and helping prepare you for the exciting career road ahead of you. Thank you.